how to send money from Zelle to Varo. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from Zelle to Varo. I'll demonstrate a quick and easy method to withdraw funds from Varo. As you can observe, we have the Varo app loaded in real time for a step-by-step guide. On the main page of Varo, there are two ways to reach the transfer option. The first is located at the top, clearly labeled Transfer. If it's not visible, scroll to the very bottom and you'll find an alternative option that says Move Money. Clicking on it will also lead you to the transfer feature. Upon selecting the transfer option, you'll be prompted to choose the source, from, and destination to. Pick the specific account where you have funds for the from category. In this field, you can select an external account to use to send money from. You may even choose Zelle here. Next is the to section. Currently, we only have a savings account available. If you intend to send it to another bank account not on file, click on Add an account. This initiates a bank verification process through Plaid, ensuring instant verification. Then proceed by selecting the bank account you want to link. Click Continue. Click again. Log into your old or alternative bank. After a brief loading period, click Continue. Once successfully linked, you can see the status on the right-hand side. Give it a moment to complete. After a few minutes, you'll notice the status change from syncing to the specific bank account, like Capital One checking. And now you'll be prompted to enter the amount you wish to transfer. The system provides information on your transfer limit based on your balance, and the expected duration for the funds to reflect is 1 to 3 business days. If everything checks out, click Next and proceed through the confirmation step. Once confirmed, the transfer is in progress and ultimately successful. Now, you only need to wait for a day or two for the funds to appear in your other account. Click this button and you'll be able to transfer money instantly. And that's how you can transfer money from Zelle to Varo or Varo to Zelle. Like if you like, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.